Igitongorio ni UASU hamwe na KUSU, ciama ici ciugite thirikari ni ngatheirie kuriha aruti wira university-ini cia muingi kuringana na ngirimiti iria mekiraniire ya mwaka wa 2017 nginyagia 2021 hamwe na 2021 nginya 2025 na oho ikiunira ritho gucirira ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2025 nginyagia 2029 undu uria maugite uramahatika kuiga mirothi o ringi thutha wa kũgoma thikũ 49 mwaka mũhĩtũku.
I promised the country last year November that if the ministry behave, we shall not have a strike. But I'm seeing we are being forced to having one in September. We agreed that we were supposed to conclude the 2025-2029 CBA in 30 days. November last year. Now we are in July and we are not moving.
Ciama ici oho ni ciukirire na gikiro kinene komishoni ya utungata kuri muingi ni gutabania miario itekumakuruhania na gucoka kuga ni undu macireire mari hamwe.
And to make it worse, they are saying that they involved us and we agreed consensually. They didn't. Where did I agree that we move the retirement age of professors from 74 to 70? Lecturers from 74 to 65. I want to see those minutes.
A circular is subservient and inferior to a mutually agreed collective bargaining agreement and registered in court. So when we have all those things done, who are you to come with a circular that does not have a head or tail?
Oho ciama ici ni cionekete ikiagira witikio mubango wa thirikari wa guteithia arutwo aria maraingira guthoma githomo kia iguru na marihi mothe ma fithi ikiuga uyu ni undu wi hinya kuhoteka.
But in the absence of 100 billion and you are telling us that now or you have seen the light that you are underfunding universities. Now you are going to fund everybody 100%. Tutaona tu.
Riu maitho mothe maroretio na kuri thirikari kuona kana ni guthikiriria mateta ma ciama ici niguo gwithema na mugomo ma university magitanywo kwambiriria mathomo mweri-ini wa kenda. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo William Wainaina.